Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I hope you guys always given health. Okay, now I will explain a little to all my friends what singular and plural nouns are. Sorry if there are mistakes in explaining the material because I'm also actually still learning. In Indonesian, we know that the naming of objects will always remain the same or will never change even if there are more than one object. For example, no matter how many books we see, we will still name them as books even if there are 2, 15 or even hundreds of books. Well, it's different in English. Nouns can change their name depending on the number of things. In English, nouns are divided into two in general, namely singular and plural. So what are singular and plural nouns? Singular and plural are nouns that are used in English as subject and object. The use of singular and plural words depends on the number of nouns or depending on the determinants used. And singular nouns are nouns denoting one object. These nouns are usually preceded by the article a, an, and the. Plural nouns are used for more than one object. Nouns will be followed by a suffix or addition in the form of s, or, and es. The use of these two additions cannot be arbitrary. The use of suffixes or additions to plural nouns has its own rules for each noun. Examples of using singular and plural and their rules. Plural nouns are generally formed from singular nouns added with the ending s. Singular: dog to dogs, cat to cats, day to days, house to houses. Next, singular nouns that end in ch, sh, ss, or x plus the ending es. Singular: potato to potatoes, tomato to tomatoes, hero to heroes, kilo to kilos, photo to photos, kimono to kimonos, piano pianos, dynamo dynamos, video videos, studio studios. A singular noun ends in y where the previous letter is a consonant. The plural is added with the ending ias. Singular: baby, plural babies, country countries, lady ladies. Next, singular nouns end in f or fe in the plural and add vis. Singular: calf, plural calves, half halves, knife knifes, leaf leaves, life lives, love loves, self selfes, sieve sieves, self selfes, thief thieves, wife wifes, wolf wolfes. Here is also an example: irregular change from singular to plural. Singular: foot, plural feet, goose geese, louse lice, man man, mouse mice, tooth teeth, woman woman, child children, ox oxen, person people. Singular nouns have the same form as plural noun. Singular fish, plural fish, singular species, species, ship, ship, aircraft, aircraft. Next, keyword for singular and plural nouns. There are several keywords that can indicate whether an object is singular or plural according to Phillips. These keywords include singular nouns, each, plural nouns, both, every, to, single to many, one to several, a or an to various. After discussing the various singular and plural nouns which contain a, an, the, s, and es. Now we will study singular and plural nouns in sentence form. Example sentence using singular nouns. Number 1. The zoo has lion. Number 2. I need some pencil. Number 3. My house is located in the east. Well, guys, you can see the number here. Number 1. A lion. How many lion? Yep, 1. Number 2. I need some pencil. How many pencil? Yeah, 1. And number 3. My house is located in the east. How many houses does she have? Yes, 1, 2. Okay, next. Now let's compare it with the plural when we change the singular sentence. Number 1. The zoo has lion. The noun is added as. 2. The zoo has lions. Here it means changing to not the zoo has lion, but the zoo has lions. Now an example of second plural sentence. Number 2. I need some pencils. Because the pencils end with s, meaning she has now not just one object, but 2 or more. Number 3. My houses is located in the east. Houses, because the ending with s, means she has more than one house. Okay, after we understand some example of singular and plural, now we will go into the example questions. Complete the sentence with the correct form, singular or plural, of the given nouns. Number 1. Chair. I bought some the word chair. I bought some chair. Then all we have to do is add the letter s at the end of the word, so it will become plural. Number 2. Vegetable. There is a lot of blah 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 on the table. Number 2. The word vegetable doesn't need to add an s at the end of the word because the word a lot already shows the number of objects for me, so still there is a lot of vegetable on the table. This includes singular sentence. Okay, number 3. Number 3 is the same as number 2. Fruit is still fruit. Hence the sentence, there is a lot of fruit on the table. Okay, that's all my explanation about singular and plural materials. Sorry if there are word mistakes because I'm still learning the same thing. Thank you guys. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.